Hey guys, it's Mark the mechanic, making my first video here for all you fine folks out there. And what we got here is a 2011 Hyundai Sonata 2.0 Turbo Limited. So what I was having problems with was the let's see what it's called, the turbo actuator solenoid, which activates the turbo waste gate or some mumbo jumbo out there. Anyways, I don't understand how it all works, but basically I took it up to the dealership and they wanted $500 and 2 weeks to fix. So it's not real complicated. Here's the solenoid. It's got an actuator on here that connects to the kind of turbo valve that opens it up. And so basically I didn't start at the get-go, but I know I couldn't find any videos out on YouTube about how to fix this, so I thought I'd make one about halfway through. So the first step you want to do is obviously disconnect the negative terminal in the battery so you don't electrocute yourself. You want to make sure that the engine is cool because you're going to be working in some really hot areas. The first thing I did to get to where the actuator goes was to remove this little exhaust seal or whatever you call it. It comes from the turbo, it comes up here, there's a clamp you want to undo. Once you get that clamp, there's another clamp down here. Undo that and you can slide this baby out. I pulled it up and then out. So once that's out of the way, you can access where the actuator comes from, which is basically back behind here. You got 3 bolts there to loosen. And down here is where it connects. There's a pin on there. You want to take that pin out first. It's a real bitch to get out, but you will have a magnet waiting underneath it to catch it. I use some needle nose pliers and a real flat head screwdriver to pry it out. But get that off first before you loosen these. Then you loosen those 3, and this baby pops right out. Got the replacement here. Here's the part number. Valve solenoid waste gate. Not much to it. Now all you gotta do is reverse engineer. I would mount these first, then hook it on, put the pin back in. Which here's your bolts here, and the pin. I got it on a magnet. You see that little pin right there? It's really hard to get off. Once you get it off, then this little deal, oh sorry, it's not a very good video, slides right off. So, and then just put it all back together. Put your exhaust seal back on and put your terminal back on. And I know there's one video out there where you got to adjust the with the multimeter, adjust the voltage to like 4.07. I haven't got that far. I plan on adjusting these so it's the same length, and hopefully want to test it. I failed to mention there's a plug here that comes off the side of the solenoid. You're just going to press down on the back end of it and it'll pop up. That's where it connects. Right there. So you press down and it unhooks off that deal. So anyways, I hope this video helps you guys and saves you several $100s in labor that every Hyundai dealership wants to charge you. The part I ordered was $175 for the solenoid, and it was $30 for 2-day shipping. So, you know, I've got about $205 invested in this, and it took me about an hour time to get this far. So, if you got a couple hours to spare, you'll save a lot of money. Anyways, comment, like down below. Let me know if you got any questions. Peace out.